Why, hello there, and welcome over across the street. It's Mobile International Speedway. It's a racetrack. So we got the HKP because this was an unexpected surprise. This is the racetrack used to film a racing scene where there's all kinds of death and chaos and crashes. Final Destination 4. Now I'm gonna be honest, I didn't look anything up because I didn't know this until about approximately 3 minutes ago. But we're gonna fly the HKP up, get some shots, check out the Speedway. We usually do this at abandoned racetracks. This is gonna be the first time at an active racetrack. Now there's nobody here. They're not racing, but let's see what we can see. Great success! HKP got some good shots there, I believe. It's really bright and sunny, and my screen was going really dim. I think we got some good stuff. An unexpected filming location video. If you enjoyed the video, like it, subscribe to the channel. We do lots of filming locations, theme park videos, and random things from time to time. And until next time, be good, have fun, and learn something.